Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about manufacturing, that is computer integrated manufacturing. The manufacturing is a process of converting raw material into desired shape and size or desired product. You can simply define manufacturing is process of converting raw material into finished product is called manufacturing. Manufacturing can be done by three ways: metal forming process, metal removing process, metal joining process. These are the three methods available to manufacture any product. If you see any product, you can easily identify which method is applied to manufacture for this product, whether it is metal forming or metal removing or metal joining. Now I'm going to present what is CIM, Computer Integrated Manufacturing. Before going to discuss computer integrated manufacturing, we must know CAD, computer aided design. The use of computer methods to develop the geometric model of the product in three-dimensional form such that the geometric and the manufacturing requirements can be examined. Computer design, before going to manufacturing, we have to design in geometrical way how much thickness, how much width, how much length, how the nose radius. So everything we have to design before going to manufacturing. That's why it's called the use of computer methods to develop the geometric model of the product in three-dimensional form. CAM. We know CAD tools, various AutoCAD, Pro-E, SolidWorks, various computer design models available to design a component, mechanical components, any other components. Next, computer aided manufacturing, CAM. Generally, it refers to the computer software used to develop the computer numerical control part programs for machining and other processing applications. Computer aided manufacturing, that is NC control. We have to form a part program for each part. For if you want a step turning, doing the step turning or milling for a component. So before that, based on the profile, we have to generate numerical control using computer for machining. CAD CAM is the integration of design and manufacturing activities by means of computer systems. Finally, CIM, Computer Integrated Manufacturing. Computer integrated manufacturing includes all of the engineering functions of CAD CAM. but it also includes the firm's business function that related to manufacturing. CAD means only designing components in two-dimensional, three-dimensional form. CAM means manufacturing for particular component. By using part programs, we have to manufacture by using computer. SIM means both combined with CAD, CAM, but it also includes the firm's business function that are related to manufacturing. See, this the wheel. It shows how the SIM is the scope of the SIM. See, any industry factory operations, the center of the factory, any factory, the factory operation. What are the factory operation? Design, manufacturing planning, manufacturing control, and business function. The CAD CAM belongs to design, manufacturing planning, and manufacturing control. That is the scope of CAD CAM. The CAD CAM related to design, manufacturing planning, manufacturing control. But the SIM is combined with design, manufacturing planning, manufacturing control, and business function. That is SIM. We can define many ways of a SIM. Computer integrated manufacturing is a method of manufacturing in which the entire production process is controlled by computer. Total total manufacturing is company is controlled by computer. That is called computer integrated manufacturing. In another way, SIM relies on closed loop control processes based on real-time input from sensors. SIM is also known as flexible design and manufacturing. These are many ways we can define, but generally the first definition is a common definition. SIM is a method of manufacturing in which the entire production process is controlled by computer. Computers are using in many ways. You see the business data processing system, computer aided manufacturing CAM, manufacturing systems, computer aided design. We are using computer in many ways for design purpose, business data processing, manufacturing systems, that is production activity, machining, assembly, material handling, storage, production control, loading, scheduling, balancing, quality control. Financial management costing, sales and marketing, purchase order control, vendor, subcontracting, personal. So, in the many ways, we are using computers in the manufacturing environment. The meaning and the scope of SIM. Source of Horrington. He denotes the SIM that the term computer integrated manufacturing does not mean an automatic factory. Not fully automatic, maybe 90%, 80% of industry activities by using computers. SIM is on amorphous based. It will be different in every company. So Leo wrote Clean Manufacturing Control System. The evolution of SIM, when the SIM is evaluated, SIM has been evolving since the mid 1970s. However, until 1980, it was merely a concept. In the 1980s, especially the second half, the SIM expanded into a technology. By now, industry has raised that SIM is a necessity rather than luxury. Yes. See, nowadays, after technology revolution, after in 2000, both on the mobile and the computer, laptop, from desktop to laptop, smartphones, so everything nowadays is internet connected. So SIM is a necessity rather than luxury. Evaluation of SIM. The primary factors that have led to the development of the SIM concept and associated technology include development of numerical control, NC, the advent and cost effectiveness of computers, manufacturing challenges such as global competition, high labor cost, regulation, product liability, and demand for quality products, the capability to cost attractiveness of microcomputers. You see, when using computers, we can reduce some of the challenges. See, we can't use all labors in all areas. That's a high labor cost also. The global competition day increases day by day. Every product released by the own company for different model. So we need computer to overcome these competitions. This is called a SIM wheel, computer integrated manufacturing wheel. The integrated systems architectures, common data, information resource management, and communication. From that, see, in the industry having, by using computers in all areas, see here, material handling, assembly, inspection test, material processing, design, analysis, documentation, in all areas using, see the final outcome we can do by using computer, we can product. For profiting, we must know marketing activity, strategic planning, the finance control, manufacturing management, human resources. These are the major role while using SIM. Then principles of computer integrated manufacturing. So by using computer, there's a database. Always for any product, it has database, the design methods, and the design procedure, material properties, everything. See, this is interconnected. The interconnected with a computer. Suppose you want old design, you go to computer and type everything. You can get all the details. If you want to modification, mod it and manufacturing, then product production system, then product it convert to products. See, everything interconnected. If you want old details in the company, you can search and get the full details. What are the old planning cost of the material, how much time it taken, how many employer we need. See, everything. Suppose you want if you want changes any small modification in the design, retrieve the old details and change it. Now calculate all the cost details, overall cost, how much cost it required, everything you can get it. Manufacturing enterprises. Computer integrated manufacturing is the integration of total manufacturing enterprise by using integrated systems and data communication coupled with new managerial processes that improve organization and personal efficiency. It given the definition Society of Manufacturer Engineers. Why we need and the importance? See, planning, any planning, but there is so many planning is there. Industry point of view, disaggregate planning. It requires 0 to 2 month planning. Aggregate planning, more than 2 to 18 months. What are the activities the company must take? Strategy planning. This is strategy planning for all industries nowadays. For strategy planning required. for over 1.5 years. How much? What which what how much employer needed? What are the product available market? What are the competitors? Who are the competitors? Any new innovation methods will come. That is called a strategic planning. If you want to plan for more than 18 months, we can do strategic planning. Aggregate planning, 2 to 18 months. Disaggregate planning, 0 to 2 months. The enterprise area, any enterprise, any company for manufacturing industry, it has human resource management. Okay. So design, manufacturing planning and control, production, the design purchasing, all the materials, everything. Okay, manufacturing planning activity, enterprise management, strategic planning, then marketing and sales. So you can't make a product at a time as you wish, based on the market, based on the marketing and pre-marketing customer demand. You have to manufacture. That's just interconnected. Everything. See here, purchasing raw material, enterprise management and strategy planning, marketing and sales. One of the important marketing. See now we see any online media, offline media, social media, they are giving advertisement always in the all the corners for any mobile, for any car, for any electronic items. They are giving advertisement, the configurations, and the compare with the old product. So marketing and sales, the marketing. That's why every company having the marketing peoples and the sales peoples. Their duty is what are the other peoples are liking, what are the peoples are liking the same product of the own company, his product, his company product compared to other company product, like comparing which customer choose which items. So they have to analysis, they have to queue some solution. So company must based on the pre-forecasting, pre-forecasting or forecasting. So the company has to produce that much of quantity of the final components or car or cell phones. Suppose if you are manufacturing high volume of car or cell phone, if the market the storing cost also increasing. If the sales is not good, so you're keeping all the manufactured items in the store. So storing cost increases. So you can't get it the profit at a frequent time. So you have to reduce again the final part of the cost. That's why before going to manufacture any component, you have to design and pre-forecasting everything. You have to analysis. So nowadays it's a sim. That's why we need computer integrated manufacturing. These are that's again the manufacturing enterprise wheel. The outer line, people, materials, tools, resources, information, technology, supplies, and that's the employer, investor, community, responsibility, regulatory, ethical, environment. First, ultimate aim customer. Customer is the number one for any product, any organization, anything. We need customer. So based on the customer desire, willingness, we have to manufacture any product. SIM versus manufacturing methodologies. Three components distinct SIM from other manufacturing methodologies. Means for data storage, retrieval, manipulation, and presentation. Yes, if you are using computer, you can store the previous product details or component details for any time. For 10 years back, you want one component, for example, design of the crankshaft, you designed. Now you want to modify. So you want to all the data available in the systems. So if you want to change any manipulation, okay. The mechanism for sensing state and modifying processes. Algorithms for uniting and data processing component with sensor modification component. Ultimate in the bottom line of SIM. SIM is the integration of total manufacturing enterprise by using integrated systems and data communication coupled with the new managerial philosophies that improve organizational and personal efficiency. SIM subsystems, CAD CAM, computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing. SCAP, computer aided process planning. ERP, enterprise resource planning. Computer numerical control, direct numerical control. Flexible machining systems, FMS. ASRS, automated storage and retail systems. Automated guided vehicles robotics. These are the subsystem of SIM. See, any industry, if you are implementing, they are implementing SIM, these are subsystems. They should have computer design, computer, manufacturing, CAP, computer process planning, enterprise resource planning, computer numerical control, that is a CNC machine tools, flexible manufacturing system, automated storage and retail systems, automated guided vehicles, robotics, automated conveyance systems. Automated conveyance system, a project management software, computer scheduling, production control, computer aided quality assurance, a business system integrated by common database. By using computers automatically, whether your product is manufactured based on the previously you designed one quality, no? So automatically, if you're using computer, automatically detect that is quality achieved or not. Okay, this is one of the possible in SIM. To develop under SIM operation, challenge, what are challenges in SIM? The cost, see, the lack of, see, we implementing computer in all the fields, we need a highly skilled or expertise, technical expert. That's why the implement is very obstacles. Lack of in-house technical expertise, top management does not grasp benefits. It inadequate planning and the lack of vision, inadequate cost justification methods, unavailable funds. That's why they are not implementing SIM. So once again, we have to, I am explaining what we discussed now. The computer integrated manufacturing. Before going to see the definition of computer integrated manufacturing, we must know CAD, computer aided design. What is a computer design? This is system is used to design the components in two-dimensional or three-dimensional way before going to manufacturing. So the design, if using computer, we can so many ways we can modify the components. The olden days, the 19th, 20, 1940s, they used handmade drawing. It takes long times. So we can't correction made, you can't do any correction as early as possible. If using computer, no, you can in so many ways, both three-dimensional way, two-dimensional way. Each and every part we can design as much as quickly possible. So CAD means the use of computer methods to develop the geometric model of the product in three-dimensional form, such that the geometric and the manufacturing requirements can be examined. CAM, computer aided manufacturing. You know, if you use a computer, we need to generate part programs. That is NC code. The geometry code, miscellaneous code, there is two code is there. Using computer, the computer attached with the machine, no, that how much spindle speed, automatically it retrieve. We can feed, enter the system, it gives to the tool, automatically moving, very fastly we can manufacturing. Computer aided manufacturing, generally refer to the computer software used to develop computer numerical control part program for machining and other process applications. CAD CAM, it's an integration of design and manufacturing activity by means of computer systems. This is the CAD CAM. What is SIM? SIM computer integrated manufacturing include all of the engineering functions CAD CAM, but it also include the FAM's business function that are related to manufacturing. What are the FAM business function? Sales, marketing, purchasing, everything in the related to manufacturing. It is combined along with CAD CAM. CAD means using computer to design the particular component. CAM means using part programs to machining the particular components by using part program. SIM means along with the design, manufacturing, all other activities like human resource management, marketing, sales, forecasting, everything. That is called computer integrated manufacturing, include all of the engineering functions of CAD CAM, but it also include the FAM functions function that are related to manufacturing. This simply this will shows what is the scope of the SIM. The CAD CAM design, the factory operation design, manufacturing planning, manufacturing control, business function. The CAD CAM covers only design, manufacturing planning, manufacturing control. But SIM covers all design, manufacturing planning, manufacturing control, and the business functions. So here I want to you stop. We have discussed only definition. What is SIM? How SIM plays the roles in industry? See, if you implementing SIM in industry, it requires a lot of investment, capital investment. Because total factory is automated. If you automate, we need a lot of investment in the both in machines, and we need skilled peoples and a lot of monitoring systems. Maybe fully automated or 50% automated. Nowadays, industry not fully automated. In India, no SIM industry available except few. Many 50% automated. The manufacturing, we are sending raw material. If you once you feed the raw material, it automatically come out to the finished product. Everything automatically travel from one place to another place. That is ASRS, automated storage and retail systems. ADV vehicles. See, nowadays we need to, any industries to want survive, they have to implement SIM because of the competitiveness and the technology. The both in software industry, they're giving all automatically high softwares. Day by day, the increase in technology, 2G, 4G, now the 5G also coming. The internet, IoT, Internet of Things. So everything the related to the computer related all other activities are increasing day by day. So if you want industry, highly competitive industry, they must include SIM systems, computer integrated management. Already they started. In small scale industry, they are using only manpower and single conventional machines they are using. So here I want to stop this up to this. We discussed what is CAD. CAD is the computer using computer design a component. Design models are AutoCAD, Pro E, SolidWorks, various designs are available. And the CAM means computer aided machining, using computer to machine the components. Computer aided machining, computer aided manufacturing. Sorry, computer aided manufacturing. For manufacturing, we need NC part programs, NC codes, numerical control codes, part programs. The CAD CAM means integration of design and manufacturing activity by means of computer system. SIM means computer integrated manufacturing include all of the engineering function of CAD CAM, but it also include the FAM's business function that are related to manufacturing. So today I have given the outline of the SIM. In the further classes, we will discuss about what are the subsystem of SIM. CAP, Computer Aided Process Planning, Automated Guided Vehicle, AGV, ASRS, Automated Storage and Retail Systems. We will discuss the forthcoming videos. Thank you.